Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use constraints in Figma, specifically with frames and constraints. If you've ever wondered how designers make sure their elements automatically adjust when layouts change, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use constraints in Figma so your designs stay flexible and responsive. Let's dive right in. First off, go ahead and open up Figma. If you don't have a project yet, you can start a new one just for practice. It's always a good idea to play around as you learn these tools. Once you're all set, select the Frame tool. You'll find this either by pressing the F key on your keyboard or by choosing it from the top menu. Draw out a frame on your canvas. Think of a frame as a container that holds all your design elements. It might help to picture it like a window, and anything you put into it is inside that view. Now, inside your frame, let's add a rectangle. Just select the rectangle tool and draw a simple shape inside the frame. This rectangle is our design element, almost like placing a sticker on the glass of that window we just talked about. Next, go ahead and click on the rectangle to select it. If you look over to the right side of your screen, you'll notice there's a section labeled Constraints. This is where the magic happens. By default, Figma sets the rectangle's constraints to left and top. What this means is that no matter how you resize the frame, the rectangle will always stay locked to the top left corner, almost like it's attached by invisible strings. Let's play around with this a bit. Try adding another rectangle, maybe duplicate your first one to keep things simple. Now select this new rectangle and check out the constraint settings again. This time try changing the constraints to right and bottom. Here, where it gets interesting as you resize the frame, watch how this rectangle hugs the bottom right corner instead of the top left. It's a really powerful way to control your layout, especially if you're building components like buttons or images that need to stick to a corner regardless of screen size. You might notice that the rectangle's size stays fixed when you use these basic constraints. That's because constraints like left, right, top, and bottom essentially pin your element in place, but don't let it stretch or shrink automatically. Now let's add a third rectangle to see another constraint behavior in action. Place your rectangle inside the frame, select it, and this time set its constraints to left and right. You'll see an option like Scale show up. Go ahead and choose that. Try dragging the edges of your frame and notice how this rectangle now stretches and shrinks along with the frame's width. It's almost as if the rectangle is made out of elastic, expanding and contracting smoothly as the window changes size. This is perfect for elements like headers or background bars that need to stay edge to edge as the layout shifts. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use constraints in Figma with frames, a crucial tool for creating adaptable designs. Don't worry if it feels a bit tricky at first. Give yourself some time to experiment and see how different settings affect your elements. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips and tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.